Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I want to have a little fun with makeup. I love the show Euphoria, it's back. So I wanted to show you guys how to make a basic look euphoric. So we're going to have some fun adding some rhinestones and just making sure to get artistic with the makeup, because with Euphoria it's just like a throw on some little shimmer here, rhinestones here. So let's go ahead and have fun and get this started. So if you guys are interested in having a little bit of fun with your makeup and doing a Euphoria look, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like my video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. Alright beauty, so let's go ahead and make this euphoric, okay? Euphoria is back, season 2. First episode was crazy. Crazy, y'all. So we about to get it together. So this is just a basic look. If you wanted to go somewhere and you wanted to have a really fancy kind of look, or something cute, something euphoria, something euphoric, you do not have to redo all your makeup. I'm going to show you how we're going to quickly just take this up a notch and give it all of the vibes, okay? So I have my 2 Q-tips here. As you can see, this is just a brown smoky eye. I literally just took the lashes off, and now we're about to cut the crease. Before we cut the crease, we want to clean off the crease, any area where we want to have it cut. So I have my Q-tip here. I'm going to go in with my All Night Mist. I just need something wet. Clear off the area where we want the crease open. So I'm actually going to use something oil based. This is a Shea Cocoa Gel. If you have Vaseline, that will work good too. I'm literally just going to tap around the front. I don't need a lot. And I put that on the Q-tip, and now we're going to clean it. Now we're going to use the other side of the Q-tip and clean this. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to go into our P. Louise paint, and this is the blank canvas. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand here, just like this. And we're going to fill in the area where we already cleaned out the crease. Now it's going to be super easy to cut it because it's already cleaned up. Follow along. Just take your time to fill in this portion and make sure that it is nice and precise, because it's already cut out. It's not going to be hard to get this nice and crisp. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time, making sure to follow along that line, and then fill in the entire lid with the blank base from P. Louise. This is a really thick base. It's a paint actually, so it's actually thicker than a regular base. And I like to use this for cut creases because it just helps things be super precise. You can either add color on it or you don't have to, because it dries down. And then this is the new Persuasion Palette from Beauty by Makeup by Melissa, and this palette is one of the most gorgeous nude palettes I've gotten. So I would definitely suggest that you guys get this palette if you don't have a really good nude palette, or if you're looking for a new one. This one is super good quality and the color choices are super bomb. So I just went into this light tan color and tapped that all the way across the paint to give it a nice flush of color. And I'm loving how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into the dark brown in this palette and pretty much just shape out a wing liner. So if you don't know how to do wing liner or have trouble with liquid, you can always use shadow to create a wing liner, and it's super simple. As you can see, literally just doing a straight line across and filling it in, and it just gives you a softer look. So for this specific look, I just was going for a softer liner look that was kind of blended out, and I love how it came out. Then I wanted to go ahead and just add a little bit of powder under the eye to catch any fallout that may have fallen while I did the eyeshadow look, since my face was already done. And then I decided to add some rhinestones to the front of the cut crease. So I'm using my duo lash glue to attach the rhinestones. As you can see, I just attached 3 at the front, and then I'm going to do 3 more at the end of the cut crease. And I'm just pretty much looking around in different areas where I want to add a little sparkle, because we're now giving it more of a euphoria vibe. So this is what we are doing right now, making it a little fun and a little random, but still super cute. So we have the 3 on the side now. At this point, I decided to blend the rest of the powder away from underneath the eye so that we can have a base for me to be able to put some rhinestones underneath my eye. First, I went ahead and went in with a really small detail brush to go around the cut crease and add a little bit of a dark brown there, just so that we could have more of a gradient there, and it just really helped everything look more nice and crisp. So I'm just literally taking this liner brush that's super thin and going right along the cut crease. At this point, my dad had called me, so that's why you can see my mouth moving. But I am just blending this out. Once you add that line, you do want to get another brush that's fluffy and blend out the area where you applied the additional shadow to make sure it's not too harsh. So just take your time to do that, and always bring it to your nose contour. So as you can see, I went in with the even fluffier brush because it was looking a little too harsh there, and just softened that up a bit. Now I'm blending the powder away, and we are going to go ahead and add some rhinestones underneath the eye, just to give it more of a dazzle. This part I probably wouldn't do to wear out in public, but for this specific look, for it to be euphoria, I felt like I wanted to just add some random rhinestones. So we added a little bit of the brown shadow underneath the eye, and we're adding the glue right underneath the eye, and then I'm going to even drag it down further on underneath my eye, and bring it to like a triangle, almost like I'm crying rhinestones. Euphoric vibes, you know? And I'm adding that. So now we're just putting on the rhinestones to the glue where we mapped everything out. If you guys are watching the new season of Euphoria, let me know. Let me tell you, it is crazy already, but I love it. And I've watched 2 episodes so far. Now I'm putting on these lashes. These are a lot more dramatic than the lashes I had on with my natural brown smoky eye look, because with the cut crease you just want it to just pop with the lashes. So I chose these. And then I wanted to change my lip up a bit. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this blank lipstick from Lashing Out Glam. It is actually just a white lipstick, and it's perfect for if you're doing a new lip and need to have a little bit of an ombre in the center. It is beautiful, as you can see. So as I'm blending that out, I decided to go into this diamond gloss from Lashing Out Glam and add that on top. It's a nice milky gloss. And it looks so pretty. I love how this lip came out with this look. And I'm just blending it out, and it's looking really pretty. Now I felt like it needed to have a little bit more brown, because I am, you know, black. And black people need to do brown around the lip to do a super nude look. All right. And I am loving how this looks. Yes, Euphoria, here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy way to change up your eyeshadow. If you go to work with eyeshadow and want to change it up when you get home because you're going out, these are some simple steps you can use. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun, euphoric look. I wanted to show you how you can take a basic look to a euphoria inspired look. And it really just takes adding like some rhinestones. I wanted to do a little cut crease, just glamming it up with just the simplest little sparkles, and I am so here for it. I love Euphoria. Season 2 started off with a bang. The episode was crazy. Don't watch it with your kids around, but I absolutely love this show, so I wanted to do something inspired by the show. I did one last season, and so this is my look for this season, and I'm here for it. I would definitely wear this out because I am extra like that, but you guys let me know if you rock this. Let me know if you watch Euphoria and if you have caught up on season 2, and if you have, let's discuss in the comments, y'all. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this fun little video. You know, I just like to try to change it up so everything is not so serious and we can just have fun with makeup, because makeup is about being artistic and just expressing yourself in that way, and I love it. I'm here for it. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.